Hello, my name is Rob Cable, and I'm the CEO of PURTEQ. Today I'm here to introduce one of our many revolutionary and highly effective products, KLENZ Multi-Purpose Cleaner. KLENZ is a professional-grade multi-purpose cleaner that works on any surface. It is highly effective as a degreaser, easily eliminating fog, fats, oils, and grease. It also safely removes a slew of stains that are both organic and non-organic, such as permanent marker, lipstick, red wine, tomato sauce, chocolate, tar, and the list goes on. It is a water-based formula that is biodegradable, VOC-free, non-toxic, and non-flammable. Our eco-friendly formula contains no ozone-depleting chemicals, hazardous air pollutants, caustic detergents, or harmful petroleum solvents. It is dye and fragrance-free and is safe on skin. No personal protection equipment like gloves or goggles or masks are required. The active ingredient is a plant-based colloidal micelle, which creates a powerful micro-cleaning action that causes long-chain hydrocarbon soils, including fats, oils, and grease, proteins, and sugars, to repel from any surface so they can simply be wiped or rinsed away without damaging or reacting with the cleaning surface itself. KLENZ meets all requirements for EPA Safe for Choice, USDA BioPreferred, AQMD Clean Air Solvent, and the OSHA 29 CFR regulations. It is a professional-grade, safe, everyday cleaner for all businesses and can be used for a very broad spectrum of cleaning needs, including bathrooms, carpets, engines, general janitorial, kitchens, marine, floor mop solutions, part washers, pressure washers, spot stain removal, tool shops, and in vehicle interiors, just to name several. Let's take a moment to meet our revolutionary micelles and understand the chemistry, moreover, how KLENZ works. KLENZ is based on an advanced material science colloidal chemistry, which allows processed renewable food-grade ingredients from plants and trees to form particles called micelles. These are small little guys. In fact, one micelle measures 1 to 4 nanometers as compared to a human hair, which is about 80,000 nanometers. A micelle is composed of fatty esters and fatty acids clumped together in a sphere. Its tiny size, combined with its extremely high surface area to volume ratio, enables it to penetrate complex carbon molecules and emulsify organic matter. Micelles have a hydrophobic tail, which repels water, and a hydrophilic head, which is attracted to water. When mixed with enough water, micelles are surrounded by a thin layer of water molecules, and the outer hydrophilic shells seek out and bond with water molecules, while the tails, or interior portions of the micelles, avoid water. This provides a way to dissolve molecules that don't like water in water. So now, you have millions of these particles racing around the water, which repel each other like opposing magnets, breaking down hydrocarbon bonds into smaller molecules or atoms. They attract and attach themselves to these molecules and hold them suspended in the water. The soil molecules are permanently dissolved while suspended and can be easily rinsed or wiped away. By the way, any residual product from runoff or wiping is fully biodegradable. All our products are manufactured under stringent production standards to ensure quality and purity. They are available in ready-to-use 32-ounce spray bottles or 1 gallons, and in concentrate in 1 gallon, 5 gallon, 55 gallon drums and 275 gallon totes. KLENZ is price competitive compared to mainstream multi-purpose cleaners, and depending on the use, 1 gallon of concentrate can make all the way up to 128 gallons of RTU. As they say, the proof is in the pudding. Please join me as we share some use case demonstrations in the following videos. us for this training module on KLENZ, our multi-purpose cleaner. You can find other training modules for our products on our website or by request. Please go to our website, PURTEQ.com, for product information and how to purchase our products. Thank you and have a great day.